Today, we focus on recognizing and claiming your personal power. You are empowered to create the life you desire, to overcome challenges, and to make decisions that align with your highest good. Let's begin by repeating this powerful affirmation together, allowing each word to sink deep into your being. I am empowered. Pause for a moment. Feel the strength of these words. Let them resonate deep within you. You are empowered. I am empowered to take control of my life. I choose how I respond to every situation, and I know that I have the strength to navigate any challenge that comes my way. I trust in my ability to make choices that serve my highest good. Visualize yourself confidently taking control of a situation that once felt uncertain or overwhelming. See yourself responding with calm and clarity, knowing that you have the power to choose your reaction. I am empowered to create the life I desire. I recognize that I hold the keys to my future. Every decision I make, every action I take, brings me closer to the life I want. I trust in my ability to manifest my dreams. I am empowered by my strength. I have faced challenges in the past, and I have come out stronger. Every obstacle I encounter is an opportunity to grow and become even more resilient. My strength is limitless. I am empowered by my choices. I am the creator of my life, and every choice I make shapes my future. I choose to make decisions that are aligned with my values and my purpose. I trust myself to choose wisely. Visualize yourself making a powerful decision with clarity and confidence. See yourself choosing what feels right for you, knowing that each choice is an empowered step toward your goals. I am empowered by my voice. I speak my truth with confidence and clarity. I am not afraid to express my needs, desires, or boundaries. My voice is powerful, and I use it to create positive change in my life. I am empowered by my actions. I do not wait for the perfect moment. I take action now. I trust that each step I take, no matter how small, brings me closer to my goals. I am constantly moving forward. Visualize yourself taking bold, confident steps toward your goals. See yourself acting with purpose, no matter the obstacles, knowing that each action you take moves you closer to success. I am empowered to embrace change. I am not afraid of change because I know that growth and transformation are part of my journey. I welcome change as an opportunity to expand and evolve. I am empowered by my passions. I follow my heart and pursue what excites and inspires me. My passions are a source of limitless energy, and I honor them by taking inspired action every day. Visualize yourself engaged in something you love, whether it's a hobby, a passion project, or a career goal. Feel the energy and excitement that comes from doing what you truly enjoy. Your passions empower you. I am empowered by my belief in myself. I trust in my abilities, my wisdom, and my intuition. I know that I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to, and I move forward with unwavering confidence. Imagine yourself standing tall, with complete self-assurance. See yourself taking action toward your goals, fully believing in your ability to succeed. You trust in your abilities, and you move forward with powerful confidence. Take a deep breath in, and feel the empowerment within you. I am empowered. Feel the power of this affirmation. You are empowered to take control of your life, to create your reality, and to face any challenge with strength and confidence. The power to succeed is within you, and you have everything you need to live the life you desire. As you move through your day, remember, you are empowered. You are the creator of your reality, and your strength and confidence will guide you toward the success and fulfillment you deserve. You are empowered, and nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams.